Hey guys, so today the subject of our video is how to make your first $2,000 a month from YouTube videos for free. To actually how to learn everything and how to use the free information from my YouTube channel to actually start earn money. So a few weeks ago, just contacted by one guy here, as you can see. Let's zoom in a little bit. He just sent me a recording saying this all made by watching your free YouTube videos. I couldn't afford myself to buy the course or mentorship, which is I can understand, and he just wanted to share. He made here $2,188, which is amazing. So yeah, not all of you will be able to see success like that. To be honest, it's just 5%. I myself also, I didn't took any course. I did it all myself. But for most people, it's just you need to learn everything by yourself. But I will try today to make it the most easiest for you, so you can navigate on my YouTube channel and actually learn what you need to maybe see results like this guy. And maybe in the future, if you want to invest, so you can invest back in the business, right? So for creation, okay, so Nano Banana, I didn't make video about it. I was lazy. I will do soon, but nothing to explain. Just go to Nano Banana on Xfield. It's the best one. You can buy the $35 and you have unlimited generations. You can create your model and just ask for create it in different positions, different environment. You have beautiful pictures for your Instagram. Really simple, really nothing complicated these days for the prompt. So but I will still do a video for that. And also you can watch on my YouTube channel. Check this video, okay, how to make your AI model talk. I have one guy in my close circle, and he making almost like 10K a month just from speaking reels, okay, from your model actually speaking. And he learned it just from my videos. So it's still working. Even if it looks for you like really to AI, it can still work. So use that. If you want to go on the spam videos, don't think too much. This can actually work. Okay, this is for the creation. I have more YouTube on the videos, or more videos on my YouTube channel. You can just check it out. Okay, so you need creation, right? You need marketing and you need chatting. Let's talk about marketing. So Threads and Instagram, the most important one and most easiest one for you to start. Okay, so Threads, watch this video. What to do exactly, how to warm up the account, what exactly you should do, comment to people when they reply to you, stuff like that. So this video will help you out. How to store your traffic. I just uploaded here a video about Telegram, why it's important. Very easy. You could just follow this up and add it to your skills, right? How to analyze trends, which is really important for Instagram. You have video here. You have custom GPT. Guys, everything is just here. People search too much. People on my channel, on my free Telegram group, just asking so many questions, and they have all the answers here. I mean, bro, like, just put your time, watch. Okay, you don't need. Don't ask people to get like quick answers. Not everything is like ChatGPT. You just need to put your time, watch, and you will understand everything. You don't need everything instant. Just put your time. Yeah. So for marketing, you have everything here. Most of the stuff that you need right now to actually cover your marketing side. Chatting, you don't know how to chat. Maybe it's weird for you. Totally understand. Fuck this shit. Nobody like it. But you should still understand this skill, okay? Because it sells in the end. You have full video here, what to do when they ask you if you are AI, how to react, okay? When they want to meet, what to answer, all this important stuff. Watch this video, guys, 3 months ago, still relevant for today. And when you got a chatter, okay, how to connect your chatter, very simple video, 2 minutes, okay? So you have everything you need for see results, okay? For at least make it $2,000 a month, which will probably cover a lot of your expenses, right? Which will lead in the future to actually replace your job. And that's I believe this is the goal of everybody here. And maybe, grow more and more and more, just build a big agency. So this is everything for today, guys. I just wanted to share. Everything is just sitting here and people making money. Okay. As I said, the guy making 10K right now just with speaking reels. Okay. Like that. Just implement that into your business. There are new one also. I will maybe upload video soon. And I just want to get more messages like that. Okay. Because it may make me really happy. And if you see a lot of value here, so all I can say, this is just small percentages of the value I give in my mentorships, in my school. You don't have to check, but just after you watch that, you see some success, everything worked for you, you see it makes sense to to go to the next level, feel free to check. If not, also, as I said, I don't care. But please use these free resources, guys. I didn't upload that for nothing. I want you to see success in the field, and I wish you a wonderful weekend. Today is Friday, and see you on the next video. Peace.